In order to perform the touchscreen diagnostics on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings we're gonna scroll down and then you want to open Device Care. In this menu we want to scroll down and you want to proceed to Diagnostics. If you go here, there is a chance that you will open the Samsung Manager app and then you need to find the Diagnostics button, which should be somewhere in the middle of the screen. Or you can just simply go back and return to the diagnostics option, and then once you have this diagnostics menu, you want to go to phone diagnostics. And if you go here for the first time, you will begin the test of everything. So it looks like this, but you can close this by tapping on this arrow in the upper left corner, and we can stop all diagnostics. Now in here we have the list of all of these diagnostics that we can perform, and since we want to test the touch screen, and then of course we should be able to choose touchscreen over here, then we can press OK and we can fill all square in order to see if there are any spots that are not working. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.